Hey y'all, remember this? This is part 2 of the Fenty cream bomb that I did just after Christmas, I think, or before Christmas, and it was highly requested by you guys, and I did say that I would do a few of them, and this one was the mauve wives that I did, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Right now I'm gonna do the honey waffles, the more neutral brown color. So yeah, let's get into this. So my dearest queens, meet honey waffles, and as you can see, this is more of a satiny, creamy like texture. So let's see if I can achieve this color. So welcome my dearest queens. This is your girl Inga, and I do entrepreneurship videos, beauty, and I also do a little bit of my lifestyle. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of this nation. And you also can follow me on both of my shops. I have an Etsy shop and I also have a Shopify shop, and I will have those links for you guys to go and check them out. So let's get into this video. So this is what I'll be using today to make this cream gloss bomb. As you can see, the white from my collection, the burgundy, and the caramel as I showed you earlier, and these are from my nude collection. You can go and check those out at Etsy shop. Yeah, so right here I do have my Versagel already inside this glass bowl, and I'm putting in the grapeseed oil, you know, all of the oils that I use. And this is the fractionated coconut oil. I have the poly, and you know what that is, isobutanol or whatever. I don't have to go through all that right now, but you guys can go back and watch a few of my videos. You will see all of the oils that I use and what I put in my lip glosses, the pigments, the lip liquids, and so forth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this around generously. And also, as you can see here, I'm adding a little bit of this white mica, and I got this from TKB. It's a satiny like type mica, and like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, this gloss bomb has a more like a satin type look or texture, I should say. And so I'm just gonna add some of this in that, and as you can see, it's coming out a bit like that. So right here I'm adding the caramel lip liquid pigments that I have at my Etsy shop, and I'm going to be using this because I think this is a perfect match for that color. And as we go along, I'm just going to show you what other colors I will be putting into this mixture. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit of the burgundy. I just want to darken it a little bit and give it a more thicker, smoother consistency by adding this burgundy into this mixture. So I am going to go in with my white lip liquid pigment, and you guys know that I always use a white in my gloss base, and then I will be using some more of that white mica into this base, and then I'm gonna be mixing this vigorously with lots of strength. If this was a larger batch, I would be using a mixer because, you know, your hands can get really tired. So as you can see, I am almost exactly that color. Yeah, so I am quite satisfied to how this gloss is coming out. And you guys do not forget to go and check out some of my previous videos that I did on lip gloss making and so forth. I will have links to these videos listed in the description box below, but you guys will see some cards pop up occasionally as you guys are watching, and you guys can go and just check those videos out for me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a few swatches of this at the end. So what I want to reiterate, as I said in previous videos, that all of the products using the lip liquids, the pigments, the micas, the Versagel, the oils are all lip safe products. So these glosses comes in 5 shades, and I did the Mauve Wives, the Honey Waffles, and I think I'm gonna be doing one more called the Fruit Snacks. So what I'm gonna do is the next time that I do these, I'm gonna make mine a little bit thicker because I realized that mine was quite thin versus the Fenty. So look out for that, you guys. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was some benefit to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.